With the touch of the master, a hard and rough stone can become a perfect masterpiece of an angel. With the touch of the master, the bamboo in wild woods can become a flute producing an angelic symphony. With the touch of the master, the little lump of clay can become a vessel that can quench the thirst of thousands. Yes, that is the magnificent power of the master's touch. With this thought, on behalf of the entire SMCIC family, Sister Marriott, our manager, Sister Renu, our headmistress, all the sisters, parents, students and co-workers, let me wish the superheroes of the day, our dedicated, committed and ever enthusiastic teachers, a very happy Teachers' Day. It's a day set apart to honor you, our dear teachers, the pillars of our school, who spent every ounce of your heart's energy, the positive vibes of your thoughts, and the creativity of your minds to carve out angels of peace, love, and harmony out of rough stones. Thank you for what you are to SMCIC family, to our society, to our country and the whole world. My dear students, let us remember that the master's touch is not gentle always. It's rough, tough and demanding at times. A gentle touch alone cannot always create the best masterpiece. And without the master's touch, none of us can ever become the finest masterpiece either. And so, my dear students, let us salute all our teachers today who have touched our lives and made us what we are, who have motivated us to move on when our life became weary, who helped us to get up and walk when our steps faltered, and finally, who pushed us forward when we were shy and afraid. We have become great because of them. It's their gentle, at times hard reminders and reproaches, timely guidance and advices that have taught us the value of being responsible, punctual, sincere, and vision-oriented. A grand salute to all our teachers. I thank Class 12A for coordinating today's meaningful and inspiring digital celebration, Sparsh. Of course, guided by a great hand behind, Mrs. Aditi Pandey, their class teacher. I wish all our viewers an amazing time. Happy Teachers' Day.
A teacher affects eternity. One can never tell where this influence stops. Warm greetings to respected sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Welcome to the virtual celebration of the joyous occasion of Teachers' Day, a day to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that we students have a bright future. We celebrate Teachers' Day every year on 5th of September, which marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the former President of India. He was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. On this great day, we remember another great teacher the world has ever seen. As a young nun at the Loreto Convent, Mother Teresa had been trained as a teacher. Later, she chose to help the less fortunate and came to be known as the Goddess of Compassion. Across the nation, tributes are paid to honor these great educationists. They firmly believed that teachers should be the best minds of the country, full of values and free from discrimination. On behalf of all the students of SMCIC Lucknow, I wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day, and also take this opportunity to thank all the teachers.
On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to wish our respected Manager Sister Marian, respected Principal Sister Lizzie, respected Head Mistress Sister Renu, and Sisters of Community a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Teachers' Day. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you taught me how to stand in a queue, the manners with which I speak today is only because of you. You held me when the winds blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a Teacher's Day. People will leave, but your teachings will stay. To all my teachers, parents, friends who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to you. Happy Teachers' Day to you. We'll love you to the moon. Happy Teachers' Day to you. You guided me when I was lost. You supported me when I was weak. You have a light to hand me all through. Happy Teachers' Day to you. Thank you, dear teachers.
As one looks at the great impact on the growth and development of the students and the nation, one must agree that teaching is one of the noblest professions. A teacher touches the future and works as an awakener. Albert Einstein once said, "It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge." A teacher is blessed by the virtue of giving, and she is like the misbah that lights the way for others. On this occasion, let us remember the Almighty, the Supreme Guru, the Lord of all Lords, the teacher, the guide, the preserver. And as we dedicate this day to all our teachers, let us first invoke the blessings of God.
Reading from the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat 151. Almighty said, "Like a favor which you have already received, in that we have sent among you a messenger of your own, rehearsing to you our verses, and purifying you, and instructing you in scripture and wisdom and in new knowledge."
Reading from the Holy Guru Granth Sahib, Shri Rag Mahalla Pehla, Ang 22, Sach Vakhatan Ras Lai, Pai Gur Das, Jeda Artha, the true merchandise, wealth and capital are obtained through the radiant light of the Guru.
Verse from the Holy Bhagavad Gita. Nivartyat yanamam pramadita swayamcha nishpapate parvarta gunati tattvam idmichu rangina shivarthina yasa guru nirgadyate. It means those who stop others from prancing walk selflessly, and approach those who aspire for interest and welfare. They are called gurus.
Reading from the Holy Bible, the book of Psalms, chapter 32, verse 8. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you and watch over you. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Dear God, as we suffer from the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, we turn to you, seeking protection and refuge. Help us all, dear Lord, especially our teachers, that there be no barrier in the way of our teachers who are still working hard and trying their best for us. Bless them as well as their families so that they all remain healthy, and through them we receive the wisdom to lead our lives ahead. Bless us and all other humans, Lord. Keep all children on this earth safe and healthy, and help each one of us to bloom as the flowers do, so that we make this world a beautiful garden in your care. Amen.
This Teachers' Day happens to be amidst the pandemic crisis. Yet, we celebrate the hard work done by our teachers even in these challenging times. Teachers all over the world are giving it their all to undertake the difficult task of teaching us online in these difficult circumstances. It was definitely not at all easy for them to manage everything online, but they have pulled through every situation. They have guided and supported us in these difficult times as well. We stand indebted to you for your selfless service, and here we present a short tribute. Sparsh.
What happened? Why are you so scared? क्यों घर जाना है? Stop crying first. See, there are so many children. You can make so many new friends. You'll get to know so many new things. Look, your school is so beautiful. देखो, कितने फूल हैं वहाँ. तुम्हें फूल पसंद है? इन सब के नाम पता है?
नहीं, मुझे इन फूलों के नाम नहीं मालूम.
Child, we say no. Chalo, we will learn names of all flowers, right? We should be like these flowers. Let's smile like them और उड़ते हैं आजाद पंछियों की तरह. Come, I will teach you your first lesson of life on how to be like a free bird.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर. आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर. खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे. बंद घड़ी की भी रुकी हुई सुई होती सही दो दफा. चुप क्यों है रहना मन का तू कहना. रोके चाहे हिचकियां खोल पर खोल पर खोल
Ravi, take this.
What is going on?
I was not doing anything.
Am I blind? You think yourself to be very smart, huh? Now go and sit down. I'm disappointed with your behavior. Child, all that I saw today is not you. Remember, there are always two ways of doing something. One is the easy way, the other is the correct way. Always take the right decision.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Now go back to your seat and don't be sad.
थाम लेते हैं आगे वो खो जाए राही तो राही रोशन करते वो कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो दिल की जेब में मोती ये दुनिया हसीन ना होती हमें भी सलीका ना होता जीने का तरीका न होता दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती ये दुनिया हसीन ना होती हमें भी सलीका न होता जीने का तरीका न होता ओ टीचर तुमसे पाया है सभी के भूलेंगे ना तुमको कभी ओ टीचर तुमसे पाया है सभी के भूलेंगे ना तुमको कभी
Rohan, my child, is everything alright? I have been noticing you since a very long time. You have been very quiet and isolated. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm all right.
Rohan, I know every child of mine. There is something definitely wrong with you. You can trust me and vent it all out.
It's not been much of time since class 11th has begun, and I've already started to feel that things are out of order, just not in my control. I was never like this. I am not able to score the way I used to do in high school. I cannot cope up with all this pressure. There are days when I don't even feel like sitting to study, and this makes me worry about my future, results and career. Also, my hard-earned reputation in school. I have never been so stressed and anxious. I seriously don't know how to figure out all this.
Rohan, this feeling is new to you. Every year I have seen many of my students feeling the same way and coping up with it. There's nothing wrong. It's okay to feel like this. Everyone at some point of their life feels stressed and depressed. There's nothing wrong in it. But what is important is that you should know that all this will pass and it will make you even stronger. What you do on a day you are motivated is not important, but what you do on a day you aren't is important. Besides all this, change is law of nature. Never expect everything to remain the same. There is no need to compare yourself to the person you were last year. Your class has changed, your subjects have changed, and moreover you have changed. It's okay. A graph is never a straight line. It fluctuates. And that is life. So give yourself time. Time to think, to know, and to be comfortable. I believe in you. I believe in what you do. And soon everything will fall into place. And soon you will pass with flying colors. And you will be very happy that you didn't give up. So take rest. See life with a new perspective.
I think this is right. Let us live.
ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल गम धरती कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे। यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है, कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे। उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे, आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे। कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। एक टुकड़ा हंसी चख ले, एक डाली जिंदगी रख ले। जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल।
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे कोई भी हम इसका प्यार। जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही। नए नए सपने जो बन सके, उसी जिंदगी की कहो जिंदगी। नए नए रास्ते जो चुन सके, उसी जिंदगी की कहो जिंदगी। पल पल में चलती हो, झूम के चलती हो, वो है जिंदगी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की
इतने साल गुजर गए हैं, मैं एक बच्चे से एक यंगस्टर बना और अब एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक। इन सारे बीते सालों में मैंने बहुत कुछ देखा है। आई हैव सीन द वर्ल्ड इवॉल्व। आई हैव हैड सो मेनी एक्सपीरियंसेस। अच्छा समय, बुरा समय। कभी कुछ दिन सूरज से जगमगाते थे और कुछ अमावस की रात से अंधेरे हो। मैं चला हूं, बढ़ा हूं और गिरा भी हूं, पर जब मैं मुड़ के देखता हूं तो मुझे एहसास होता है कि हर बदलते वक्त में एक बात हमेशा स्थिर रही, और वो है मेरे गुरु की उपस्थिति। Whatever may have been the phase, I have always found a teacher standing by my side. चाहे वो माँ किसी छबीली प्रेप की क्लास टीचर हो, और या मैथ्स की क्लास में अलजेब्रा के एक्स वाई के उलझनों को सुलझाते हुए सर, और या शेक्सपियर को आधार बनाकर जीवन के पाठ पढ़ाने वाली इंग्लिश टीचर। आज के इस मुश्किल वक्त में जब लोग कोविड-19 से हताश हो चले हैं, फिर भी जो मैंने उम्मीद की डोर थाम रखी है, वो भी मेरे गुरु की ही सीख है। Perhaps that is why it is said that teachers touch lives. कुछ ऐसा होता है एक टीचर का दिव्य स्पर्श जो हमें साधारण होते हुए भी विशिष्ट बना जाता है।
तू जो झूले प्यार से, आराम से मर जाऊं। आजा चंदा बाहों में, तुझ में ही गुम हो जाऊं। मैं तेरे नाम में खो जाऊं। सैया सैया संगम तेरे।
थके नहीं, झुके नहीं, एक पल भी ये रुके नहीं, चले हैं ये हर पल, चाहे हो आज की अनहोनी या हसीन कल। हीरे मोती ना ये चाहें, बस यही है दुआ कि सब बढ़ते जाएं। अनछुआ पर छू गया, जीवन की बन ये रू गया। कुछ यूं था इनका स्पर्श कि खुद तो है साधारण, पर छू जाते हैं ये अंतर मन। उम्र भर रहेगा हमें हर्ष कि धन्य हुए हम पाकर इनका स्पर्श, कि धन्य हुए हम पाकर इनका स्पर्श।
It has been rightly said, a teacher is a compass that activates magnets of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom. On this note, I would like to thank all the teachers for filling the lives of students with colors of values, wisdom and compassion. On behalf of all the students, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected manager, Sister Marriott, and our respected principal, Sister Lissy, for giving us this opportunity to present the Teachers' Day program despite the innumerable challenges posed by COVID-19.
Nothing would have been possible without the motivation and the faith that sisters have shown in us. Thank you, sisters. I thank Anurag sir for all the technical support and Aditi ma'am for her guidance. I would also like to thank all the students who readily responded and participated, thereby making this day a memorable one. We also thank all the viewers for being a part of our celebration. Your presence has been rewarding. May all stay safe. Once again, wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day from the entire SMCIC family. Thank you.